Hey guys, what is up? Here I am outdoors again, this time with my 12-year-old new barbecue. And I'm about to find if it's worth the money. First things first, let's fire up this thing by using Weber briquettes. Now while the briquettes are warming up in the background, we can start marinating our chicken. I prepare my marinade before coming here, so the recipe can be found below. So what we will do now is to just go for it and apply the marinade by hand. You want the marinade to go under the skin as well as the outside of the chicken. Make sure every bit of the chicken is covered. And I like to use this kind of a Ziploc bag, so I put the chicken here. And make sure every last bit of the marinade is going in. Then we close the bag and let it rest as long as you have. I will have maybe 20 to 30 minutes before the barbecue is ready, and then I will put it on a grill. Now the briquettes are ready to go in the grill. And soon the chicken can follow. Alright, it is a small grill, but look what I did. So I made a hot section on the left hand side of the grill, where I will first cook the chicken, give it some color. Then I will move it to the indirect section. I will monitor the temperature with this probe. I will let it rest for maybe about 30-40 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. I'm aiming at 80-degree internal temperature. So let's put the chicken in. Now that the chicken is in, the smell coming from the wrap is just amazing. This is gonna be good. Now this is exactly what we look for. Proper color equals proper flavor. And after moving the chicken in the indirect heat, we can close the lid and just let it be and monitor the temperature. As the weather is grey, we can enjoy one grey. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is lonkero. It's really traditional summertime, hot summer day drink, served with ice, made out of gin and grapefruit. So it's really like for hot summer day. But what I like about Finnish winter really is the fact that you can get ice anywhere. So let me show you how to drink this thing. You put ice on a glass, open up this can of lonkero, pour it in a glass. Cheers and enjoy. And now I will show you why we call this harmaa, which literally means grey. Look at this. Can you see the drink anymore? It's as grey as the sky is at the moment. Here it is. It disappeared. And again it disappeared. Magic, guys. That's magic. Alright, enough drinking now, let's concentrate on cooking again. As you can see, we are not that far away from being ready. So now that we are above the 80 degrees Celsius mark, the chicken is definitely ready. Okay, that's the chicken right there. And I think it looks good. At least the smell is amazing. Okay, then we have only one thing left to do, the taste test. And for this I've actually prepared a pretty refreshing dip, which I think will go well with the chicken. I will put the recipe down below. So this is it. It looks really good and it's really crispy here on the outside. We take a little bit of the dip. In my opinion, drumstick is awesome choice for barbecue. It's really cheap. All it needs is really a little marinade. You can check down below what I used today. Happy days! And as you can see, there is no excuse not to barbecue, even though it's winter time, even though it's a little bit gray outside, even though you don't have a grill or barbecue. This cost me like 12 euros from Motonetti. So my advice to you is go out there and enjoy what's around you. Okay guys, this is it for today. I had lots of fun making this video. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will be lots more cooking outside and barbecuing. And please let me know down in the comments below what is your favorite meat to barbecue. See you next time. Cheers!